Good, how are you? Just taking a little video.
Yeah, this is a private area. You can't do that here. We have businesses here, and this is a disturbing to them. You can't do anything here without property management authorization.
Where can we around here?
Yeah, on the waterfront, you can park your car there and take picture, but you can't even drive a donut. The police will arrest you.
Oh yeah, no, we weren't gonna do donuts or anything. We just wanted a view of the city is all.
But all this area is restricted. See, we have a gate right there. All these businesses, they have. You see, this even there, that's their mark. They can't even go beyond certain areas.
Yeah. I was here yesterday and I talked to one of them. They're like, oh yeah, we don't care, but yeah.
Yeah, but that's what it is.
Yeah,
so,
yeah. If it's the
on the
rules.
waterfront, you see where the other cars are parked right there?
Out on the water over there?
Yeah, on the waterfront.
Yeah,
you can park and take pictures.
Yeah, that place just sucks. We'll probably go back that way. Is there anything back that way that we could use, maybe?
Yeah, there's a waterfront on the other way too, and there's a waterfront right, you know where the ships are?
Yeah.
If only you are not doing donuts. I'm just saying that again.
Dude, trust me, we're not doing any of that crap.
And they say, oh, I'm not doing it before you leave, then they start doing it. So the police we have a severe, I have to let you know.
Yeah, I know. I saw you guys blocked off like the OG spot out there. Yeah.
When you go to the west on it, they have a big space there. You can take pictures.
Yeah.
Like that.
We couldn't even just sit here for like 10 minutes or something.
Yeah.
It's just so pretty. And like, so you see these flowers right here?
Yeah.
That's what I was mainly. So he's got orange accents on his car. There's orange and pink flowers over here, and I was mad. I mean,
well, if you're not doing anything, I will allow you that.
You can sit here and watch us.
Say anything. I'm going to give you that 10 minutes.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Isaac.
Isaac?
Yeah.
Okay. How long have you worked here?
Oh, I've been here for more than 12 years.
Oh shit. Okay. I've never seen you. Yeah, I've been coming here for a few years, and I've never noticed you.
I work from morning to Friday, so most of the time I'm not here at the weekend.
Okay. Yeah. I'll make it quick, man. I just wanted some flowers.
All right.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome.